Welcome to WordScience. Today, we will learn about a beautiful word. Encourage. Let's discover what it means together. To encourage means to help someone feel brave, confident, or happy. It's when you say or do things that make others want to keep trying. It's a gift we can all give. Why is encouragement so important? Because it helps people feel good. It gives them energy to keep going. It builds confidence and hope in their hearts. Let's see how to use encourage in a sentence. I encourage you to try your best. She encouraged me when I was sad. We encourage each other every day. Simple, right? How can you encourage others? Say kind words like, you can do it. Smile and listen carefully. Help when someone feels stuck. And celebrate small successes. These little actions mean so much. Encouragement brings amazing benefits. It makes people happy. It helps them believe in themselves. It builds strong friendships. And it creates a more positive world for everyone. Here are some encouraging words you can use. Good job. Keep going. I believe in you. You are doing great. These simple phrases can change someone's day. When should you encourage someone? When they feel sad or scared. When they're trying something new or hard. When they make a mistake. Or when they just need a friend. Be there for them. Let's see how encouragement helps people. Before encouragement, someone might feel alone and unsure. But after encouragement, they feel confident and happy. That's the power of your words. Here are tips to encourage better. Listen carefully to others. Use kind words and smiles. Be patient and stay positive. And show you care through your actions, not just words. Thank you for learning with us today. Remember, your encouragement can change lives. Subscribe to WordScience for more simple English lessons. Keep encouraging others and spread positivity everywhere you go.